The topic name is mole concept. Right. What is mole? What is mole? Mole is just it is a quantity. Okay. It is similar to a dozen. Dozen. What is a dozen? Dozen means 12. What is a 12? 12 anything. 12 it may be 12 pens, 12 notebooks, 12 papers, 12 stones, okay, 12 pencils, whatever it may be, 12 apples, 12, okay, koi bhi 12 quantity. Like that, 1 mole means 6.023 into 10 power 23 particles. It may be atoms or molecules or ions or electrons या protons or neutrons or whatever it is. Okay, so these many are there, just quantity it is representing. 1 mole equals 6.023 into 10 power 23 particles. How this number came, why we are keeping this particular number, why not any 1000, 1 lakh, 1 crore? So that thing we will discuss in the next slide. Till the time, just you remember, this is the 6.023 into 10 power 23 particles. That is 1 mole. Right. 1 mole equal, in case of gases, it is applicable for only gas. The two conditions STP या NTP conditions में standard temperature and pressure में, at a standard temperature and pressure 22.4 liter gas, 22.4 liter gas is equal to 1 mole. 22.4 liter gas equal to 1 mole. Okay, this 22.4 liter gas I will give, see here, I am taking here 22.4 liter, 3 containers I am taking. One is filled with helium gas, other one filled with oxygen gas, next one filled with carbon dioxide gas. Okay, 22 point. Condition क्या था? STP condition. Okay, 22.4 liters. This is equal to 1 mole. This is also equal to 1 mole. This is also equal to 1 mole. Okay, in this 1 mole, 22.4 liter container, how many helium atoms are there? How many helium atoms are there? The helium atoms are 6.023 into 10 power 23. If you count these many number of helium particles होगा उसमें. Sir, how many oxygen particles are there here? Same number. How many carbon dioxide particles? Same number. If you take 22.4 liter container filled with carbon dioxide at STP condition, the number of CO2 particles will be 6.023 into 10 power 23 होगा. This is only equal to 1 mole. 1 mole. Okay. So, volume का हो गया भाई, particles and volume. Next, in terms of mass, 1 mole equal, atoms है तो gram atom. If it is their molecule, gram molecule. If it is formula, generally formula होता है वो ionic compounds के लिए. This word we will use ionic compounds. For ionic compounds, 1 gram formula. Okay, gram atomic mass, gram molecular mass, gram formula mass. Gram atomic mass, see, you know that carbon atomic mass is 12. If you take the 12 in the gram, 12, if you take 12 grams, in 12 grams में how many carbons will be there? 6.023 into 10 power 23 carbon atoms will be there in 12 gram of carbon. Similarly, if you take 23 gram of sodium, same number of sodium particles will be there. If you take 18 gram of water, 18 gram of water, same again 6.023 into 10 power 23 H2O particles are there, that equal to 1 mole. Similarly, carbon dioxide, NaCl, CaCO3. So here 22.4 liter of cylinder filled with helium gas, that equal to 1 mole. That means 6.023 into 10 power 23 particles are there. So if you weigh this, how many grams it will be? It will be 4 grams होगा, 4 grams. ऑक्सीजन कितना होगा? 1 mole, that equal to 32 grams होगा. This cylinder, oxygen cylinder, 22.4 liter oxygen cylinder weight is 32 grams. ओके सर, सिलेंडर का वेट, अरे सिलेंडर का वेट नहीं बात कर रहे मैं, सिलेंडर में 32 grams of oxygen will be there. Okay, then if you fill with carbon dioxide, the extra weight will be how much? 44 grams. Sir, how we got it 44? The 44 is the molecular mass of CO2. Molecular mass of CO2 कैसे आ गया था? कार्बन, ऑक्सीजन, ऑक्सीजन. कार्बन का मास 12, ऑक्सीजन का मास 16, वन मोर ऑक्सीजन का मास 16, टोटल देखो 16, 16, 32, 32, 12, 44, 44. Got it? So for gases at STP condition, 22.4 liter container 22.4 liter container consists these many particles, 6.023 into 10 power 23 particles, that equal to 1 mole. As well, that mass equal to their atomic mass or molecular mass. Molecular mass, molecule है तो molecular mass, atom है तो atomic mass. Okay आता 12 gram and 12 unit. 12 unit means single carbon atom. Single carbon atom mass. Single carbon atom mass which is not visible. Which is not visible. The single carbon atom, where it is? It's not possible to see with naked eye. Okay, 12 grams. 12 grams is the sum of 6.023 into 10 power 23 carbon atoms together, this much mass. Okay, carbon mass 12U and 12G. This is the difference. Right. Now, what is this U? U means how much mass. Okay. So that is 1 by 12th part, 1 by 12th part of C12 mass, 1 by 12th part of C12 mass. That is only is known as 1 unit or 1 AMU, 1 AMU. Okay, so this calculation we will see. 1 AMU equal 1 by 12th part, 1 by 12th part of the mass of carbon atom. Carbon में C12 only we have to take. Carbon has two isotopes, C12 and C14. We should take only C12. Right. Now 6.023 into 10 power 23 atoms of carbon equal to 12 grams. 12 grams. It is also known as gram atomic mass. Gram atomic mass of carbon. Gram atomic mass of carbon equal 12 gram. राइट. देन मास ऑफ वन कार्बन एटम का क्या होगा? मास ऑफ वन कार्बन एटम, सिंपल थिंग इज, सपोज एक 1 डजन एप्पल्स का कॉस्ट 100 रुपीज़. देन वन एप्पल कॉस्ट हाउ मच? One apple cost how much? What you will do? 100 by 12. Okay. So 6.023 into 10 power 23 atoms का mass तो 12 ग्राम है, तो one atom का how much? Then you have to divide with this number. Okay. Dividing 12 upon this number. Then this is one carbon atom mass. We got it. One carbon atom. Single carbon atom mass. Single carbon atom mass. But what is the definition of 1 AMU? 1 AMU means 12th part. 12th part मतलब ये mass को हम 12 से डिवाइड करना है. Okay. Then 1 by 12th into 1.99 10 power minus 23, that equal, we will get 1.66 into 10 power minus 24 grams. What is this? This is 1 AMU. 1 AMU. Okay, what I did, just in 2 sentences I will tell you. First of all, 1 AMU means 12th part of carbon 12 mass. Okay, then 1 mole of atoms together 12 gram. One atom का mass, one carbon atom का mass is 1.99 into 10 power minus 23. Then what I did, इसमें 12th part I calculated, that is the answer here, 1.66 into 10 power minus 24. This is only known as 1 AMU or 1 U. You understood now? Once you say AMU, while converting into gram, we had to multiply with the Avogadro number. This is only known as Avogadro number 1 Na. Milligram and gram ka ratio is 1000. Okay, 1000. Right here, AMU and gram, ये दोनों का ratio, this is the Na. Okay, 1 gram equal to Avogadro number of AMUs. 1 gram equal to Avogadro number of AMU. What is 1 AMU? See, just now we calculated 1 AMU equal to 1.6 into 10 power minus 24 is there. Okay, इसको मैं Avogadro number से multiply करे तो I will get 1 gram. That's why we are taking this particular number. ये number से multiply करे तो कभी भी the AMU is converting into gram. Numerical तो same ही होगा. Numerical will be same. That means carbon is there. Carbon का mass 12 AMU. Okay. If I take carbon 6.023 into 10 power 23, if I take, what is the answer? अभी भी 12. हाँ, लेकिन unit change होगा. मतलब AMU when converting into grams, इसके लिए क्या करना है? This single atoms 1 mole I have to take, 1 mole. This 6.023 in 10 power 23 लेते तो the AMU is सीधा converting into grams. Okay, अभी रिलेशन समझ गए ग्राम एंड AMU का? AMU एंड ग्राम का रिलेशन, it is the nothing but a ratio between gram and AMU. That's why ये particular number ले रहे, नहीं तो we can take 1 crore or 10 crores like that. Calcium carbonate is there. Calcium carbonate का mass 100 AMU. 100 AMU. That means single CaCO3 का if I take 1 mole हो जाएगा 100 grams. और न्यूमेरिकल में कोई चेंज नहीं है, यूनिट चेंज. ओके, दैट्स वाई हाउ मेनी आई एम टेकिंग, कभी भी 1 mole आई एम टेकिंग. वेन एवर आई एम टेकिंग 1 mole क्वांटिटी, द AMU कन्वर्टिंग इनटू ग्राम. नाउ कन्वर्शंस, ये फिजिकल केमिस्ट्री के लिए बेसिक्स एंड इम्पॉर्टेंट. इसमें इफ़ यू एबल टू डू दिस मोल कॉन्सेप्ट क्वेश्चंस ना, यू विल गेट कॉन्फिडेंट. केमिस्ट्री मतलब येस आई कैन डू. ओके, हियर मैक्सिमम क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन क्वेश्चंस ओनली इज देयर, not any difficulty questions, right? when a mole is converting into particle, when mole is converting into particle, what to do? Just you have to multiply with 6.023 into 10 power 23. Okay, similarly I explained the dozen concept. Suppose you have 3 dozens. 3 dozen means how much? 3 dozen means 3 into 12, that is 36. So similarly, mole, when we are converting into particles, we have to multiply with Avogadro number. इधर से इधर पार्टिकल टू मोल ऑब्वियसली डिवाइड करना है, इधर मल्टीप्लाई करें तो इधर डिवाइड करना है. सपोज यू हैव 120 एप्पल्स, देन डैश डजन्स, व्हाट यू विल डू? 120 by 12 दैट इक्वल टू 10 डजन्स. सो व्हाट वी आर डूइंग? 12 से डिवाइड कर रहे हैं, इधर एवोगाड्रो नंबर से डिवाइड करना है. सिमिलरली when mole is converting into mass, that time into molar mass we have to do. Then mass is converting into moles, you have to divide with molar mass. Similarly, when mole is converting into volume, 1 mole 22.4 है, इसलिए suppose 2 mole is there, 2 into 22.4 मतलब 44.8. like that you have to multiply with the 22.4. suppose already volume is there, so divide करो, then you will get moles. Okay, this same topic, each one topic we will solve some more question. Mass into moles, mass into moles. 10 gram helium equal to dash moles. 10 gram helium equal to dash moles. How to calculate? What is the formula? Mole equal, you can write given mass upon molar mass or atomic mass. This is not divided by, it is just R. Atom है तो atomic mass, molecule है तो molar mass, atomic mass. Okay, I will explain one question, then I will give the questions. Mole. Okay, given mass कितना दिया था? 10 grams given. What is the helium atomic mass? Atomic number is 4. Mass क्या होगा? 8. 10 by 8. So approximately 8 1 8 2. That means 1.25 moles. 1.25 moles. You understood the first question? Now I am asking you, 10 gram hydrogen equal to dash moles, then 100 gram CaCO3 equal to dash moles. But these two questions should do it. So given mass कितना था? 10 grams. Molecular mass, you have to use molecular mass here, don't use atomic mass here. Why? Because H2 is the molecule, it's not atom. Okay, so 2, the answer will be 5. Okay, next, calcium carbonate 100 upon molecular mass CaCO3 का Ca 40, C 12, O3, O3 का कितना है? 16 3 जा 48. So total 100. 100 by 100, that equal 1. Yes, now you tell me understood or not. Okay, now you understood. ठीक है, अभी वो भी क्लियर हो गया कब एटॉमिक मास लेना है, कब मॉलिक्यूलर मास लेना है. If in the question, if atom is there, atomic mass, in the question molecule है तो molecular mass. ओके, हम खुद डिसाइड करने का जरूरत नहीं है, क्वेश्चन में क्या पूछ रहे वही इंपॉर्टेंट है. मॉलिक्यूल है तो मॉलिक्यूलर, राइट. सो आई विल चेंज द क्वेश्चंस नाउ. ओके, मास इनटू मोल्स, राइट. नाउ 20 gram helium equal dash moles. Question number 1. Next, question number 2. 22 gram carbon dioxide equal dash moles. Next, third, 20 gram H2 equal dash moles. Next, last, 32 gram methane equal dash moles. Formula I am writing again here. Mole equal given mass upon atomic mass or molecular mass. कोई भी लेना ऐसा नहीं है. एटम है तो एटॉमिक मास, मॉलिक्यूल है तो मॉलिक्यूलर मास. हियर ओनली दिस हीलियम इज एटम. It is only atom. Remaining all are molecules. Okay. Now 1, 2, 3, 4 questions. Do it fast. Given mass 20, atomic mass तो 4, that equal to answer 5. Then given mass 22, carbon dioxide का molecular mass 44, that means 1/2, that means 0.5. Then given mass 20, hydrogen is a molecular mass 2, so answer is 10. Then given mass 32, CH4, C को 12 था, 4 मतलब 4 है, total 16. So upon 16, that equal here also 0.5. Sorry, 2. Okay, 16 to the right. Okay, got it? Clear. Now नेक्स्ट टॉपिक मास इनटू पार्टिकल्स. ओके, इसमें मोल इनटू मास भी कर सकते. ओके, हियर ओनली वी विल डू मोल इनटू मास. दैट्स आल्सो विल डू. सी इफ यू वांट यू कैन टेक स्क्रीनशॉट. ऑफ कोर्स मैक्सिमम स्टूडेंट्स दे सॉल्व्ड. Okay, I will give questions from moles to mass. Right. Now the question number 1. 5 mole hydrogen equal to dash grams. Next, 5 mole H2O equal to dash grams. Then third, 2 mole CaCO3 equal to dash grams. Then fourth, 0.5 mole CO2 equal to dash gram. Yes, इतना तो करेंगे आज. Then this coming एग्ज़ाम दिस मंडे, आई थिंक मंडे एग्ज़ाम में ये मोल कॉन्सेप्ट रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस आई विल गिव यू. ओके, या क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 का आंसर 5 मोल हाइड्रोजन इक्वल टू डैश ग्राम्स. फटाफट देना है. अच्छा, एक मिनट मैं फार्मूला देता हूँ. सी, मोल का फार्मूला क्या लिखा था मैं? मोल इक्वल गिवन मास अपॉन एटॉमिक मास या मॉलिक्यूलर मास. यस, फार्मूला तो सेम. तो मोल में मोल सब्स्टिट्यूट करो, एटॉमिक मास मॉलिक्यूलर मास में तो फार्मूला से मिलेगा. बस गिवन मास तो पूछ रहे. ओके, सो दिस फार्मूला आई कैन राइट इट. मास इक्वल मोल इंटू एटॉमिक मास या मॉलिक्यूलर मास. मोल इंटू मॉलिक्यूलर मास. स्टिल कुछ स्टूडेंट्स सोचते होगा सर दो फार्मूला में तो क्या फार्मूला, विच फार्मूला वी हैव टू अप्लाई. बेटा, एटम है तो एटॉमिक मास, मॉलिक्यूल है तो मॉलिक्यूलर मास. इसमें तो सब तो मॉलिक्यूल दिया हमें, कोई एटम तो है ही नहीं. Okay, then you can write the formula. Mass equal Mole into molecular mass. Yes, answers. Yeah, first. Okay, so just I will explain these calculation only, then I will stop the class. 5 mole, see, mole into 5 mole हाइड्रोजन का एटॉमिक मास या मॉलिक्यूलर मास क्या होता है 2. सो योर आंसर विल बी 10. सो डोंट टेक सर एटॉमिक मास भी बोल दिया इधर, लेकिन पूछ रहे मैं तो H2 का पूछ रहे. ओके, अगेन कभी कभी ऐसा देते हाइड्रोजन गैस. In the hydrogen gas, then what you will take? Either you will take H या H2. Molecule you will take or atom you will take? You have to take H2 only, क्योंकि हाइड्रोजन गैस में H2 is exist. H तो exist नहीं होता है. That's why हाइड्रोजन गैस लिखे तो H2 you have to take. Okay, normally also H2. Until unless they will ask you H atoms. H atom पूछे तो तब atom लेना है. Okay, if they are not mentioned atom, you have to take the stable one, that is molecule only. Right. Then 5 into H2O का molecular mass 18, that equal 90. Then 2 into 100, that equal 200. Then 0.5 into 44, that equal 22.